See, we need to do this question now. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, from the following data, prepare a sales budget for the year 2003 and 4. There are two products group. There are two product groups A and B with PQR in group A and XY in group B. Okay. The market is divided into four areas: East, West, North, and South. Budgeted prices of PQR जो group A में है are 4, rupees 5 and rupees 6 respectively. In South area, prices are 10% higher. Means whenever we will sell product P, product Q, product R in South area, 10% will increase. Okay. The price will increase by 10%. Product X and Y are priced at 10 and 12 rupees respectively, and these are not sold in South area. So you have to remember X and Y products are not sold in South area. Expected sales of X and Y product, the products which are there in the group B, okay, that is X and Y, are 10,000 and 15,000 units respectively. Area wise breakup is given. For X, it is North 50%, West 30%, East 20%. Because in South, you are not selling the product of X and Y. So X and Y, for X and Y product, there is no South area. Okay. And Y product, 40% in North, 30% in West, and 30% in East. If you see, it is 100%. 50%, 30% means 80, 80 and 20, 100. For X, it is 100%, but you divide it into North, West, and East. Okay. Next, sales of PQR are expected to be as follows. These are the units that are being divided. Product P is sold in North, 3,000 units, is sold in East, 5,000 units, and is sold in South, 2,000 units. What about product Q? East 5,000, West 4,000, South 3,000. And what about R? It is sold only in two areas, West and North, 4,000 and 6,000. So now what you have to do, you have to make the columns. First column will be product group, group A and group B. Second will be under group A, we have PQR, and under group B, we have X and Y. Okay. And you will prepare North, South, East, West, and the column of total. But remember, under each column, you have to divide it into three sub columns: quantity, rate, and amount. Again, for South, quantity, rate, and amount. Also for East, also for West, and the column of total. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you prepare your format. You have to write sales budget for the year 2003 and 4 as a title. Come on, make it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Shall we begin now?
Yes,
Okay. So let's start now. Write down in the product group. First is product group. So write down A. And in the products, you will write PQR. See, look here. Here you will write PQR. And PQR belongs to group A. And then you will write XY. It belongs to group B. So under that, you will write group B. And then last column will be total. Last row will be total. Total is A plus B. Okay. And now here, north column. Come to the north. Now, first of all, we will complete everything which is related to P. Now look at P product. P in the north is 3,000. So write down in the quantity of north P 3,000. Are you getting my point? Where we need to write down? See, 3,000. Can you see this 3,000 in the column of P? In the column of north?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So write down in the column of north P 3,000. And what is the rate of 3,000? What is the rate of product P? 4 rupees. Here it is given. Look at my cursor. The market is divided into 4 areas: East, West, North, South. Budgeted price of PQR is 4, 5, 6 respectively. So for P, it is 4 rupees everywhere. Only in the south area, it is 10% higher. Only in south area, it is 10% higher. He is telling you, I mean, he is informing you for the product PQR only. Only for product PQR, south area में आपको 10% higher पे sell करना है. You need to sell the products of PQR in the south area at the 10% higher price. In fact, product X and Y does not exist in south area. If you check for X and Y, there is no south area at all. Okay, so there is no point of confusion. Okay, so write down 4 rupees in the column of rate. So 3000 into 4, you will get the value. So what is the value of P in the north?
12,000.
Very good. Now we will complete product P first. Okay, look at P, east, east. So go to the column of east and write down 5000 units. Means quantity will be 5000. Column of east, please remember north, south, east, west. So you have to come to the column of east and write down there 5000 units means quantity, and product P is sold at rupees 4 only everywhere. 4. Only in south area it is 10% higher. So east rupees 4 rate. So 5000 into 4 is how much?
20,000.
Very good. Now west. Next comes west. West में तो आप P sold sell ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. P is not sold in the west area. See, look at this point. No, P north, east, south. That's it. West is not there. So you just keep it as nil, nil, nil. Show it as nil. Nil means वो छोटा सा dash लगाकर छोड़ सकते हैं hyphen. Okay, so west area nil, nil, nil. Now come to the total. Sorry, south. Sorry. Come to the column of south. South, how many units? How many units of south in product P? Come on, tell me quickly. I am moving my cursor there. You just need to answer me.
2,000.
That means in the south area, product P is sold 2000 units. 2000 units of product P are sold in south area. Write down 2000. Now wait. What he says here, look at my cursor. In the south area, prices are 10% higher because of extra cost of distribution. Because there is an extra expense, that south area is little far area for them. So therefore, extra distribution cost is incurred. And therefore, the prices are 10% higher. So what is the price of a product P? Price of the product P is rupees 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you need to do to calculate 10% higher? Higher means add or less. The price will increase or decrease. Yes. So what you need to do? 4 plus, come on, do it in Calci. I'll tell you. 4. Press the number of 4. Then plus ka button. Plus button. Then 10 percentage. 10. Then percentage. 4 plus. Plus means it because it is increasing. Otherwise, we have if it was decreasing, then we would have pressed the button of minus. Okay. Anyways, now it is plus. It is going to be added. So 4 plus 10 percentage. These are the 4 buttons that you need to press in the calculator, and answer will be there in the. It will be there on the screen of the calculator. Tell me what is the answer?
4.4.
So that's what you need to write in the column of south, rate column. Under rate column, you need to write 4.4. So what is 2000 into 4.4? The value will be
8,800.
very good. This is how you need to do. Done. Now what you need to do? Total. So look at the product P. How many units are there? 3000 in the north plus 2000 in the south. I'm telling you about quantity. 3000 in the north, 2000 in the south, and 5,000 in the east. So total units are, total quantity is, come on, quickly, 3 plus 2 plus 5.
10,000.
That's what you need to write there in the total column, last column. Look at my cursor, total column. Quantity 10,000. Always remember, rate column should never be added. Leave it as it is. Chhod do. Rate column will never be added or deducted. Now value. Come to the column of value. P for P, 12,000 in north plus, keep it, keep doing it on Calci. 12,000 in north plus 5,000 in south and 20,000 in east. So what is the total value? Yes, what is the total value? Value means
Ma'am,
amount.
40,800.
Very good. That's what has to be done with P, Q, R, X, Y. Everything has to be done that way. Now come to Q. Come on, quickly. Q, east, 5,000. Go to east column for Q. For Q, go to east column. Write down 5,000 units and the price of Q is 5 rupees. See, the budgeted prices of PQR are 4, 5 and 6. So 5 rupees is the value of, is the rate of Q product. So write down 5,000 in the east of quantity column, 5 rupees in the rate column of east, and 5,000 into 5 will become value. Tell me the value.
25,000.
Very good. Now next comes west. West 4,000. So go to west column of Q. Write down 4,000 into 5. West 4,000 into 5. Rate is 5 rupees. Huh? So 4,000 into 5 will become how much?
20,000.
Very good. And last south. But remember, south may 10% higher prices are there for P, Q and R. For all of them. That in the south area 10% higher price. So what you will do, go to south column. Go to south column and 3,000 units are to be sold for product P. Sorry, Q. So Q, column south, quantity 3,000. Into, now wait. What was the original price of product Q?
5.
5. So what you will do, 10% increase. To increase 10%, what will you do, add or less?
Add.
So in the calculator, do 5, do it. I'm telling you, do it. 5 plus 10 percentage. 5 plus 10 percentage. So the rate will appear on the screen of the calculator. Tell me what is the rate on the calculator?
5.5.
That's what you need to write here in the rate column of south. So 3,000 into 5.5. Your answer will be
16,500.
very good. And that's your value. Value means amount. Okay. So done. East, west, south is done. That means north is not there. So you need to just put it nil, nil, nil. All nil, nil, nil. Okay. Now come to R. R is sold only in 2 areas, west and north. South is not there. Okay. So no point to increase the 10 percentage. Come to the west column of R. West of R. Write down 4,000 units into the price of R is, somebody will tell me?
6.
6 rupees. Very good. Very good. It is given in the question only. I've read for so many times. So it is 4, 5 and 6. 6 belongs to R. So 4,000 into 6 in the west. So what is the value of the west for product R?
24,000.
Very good. Next, north. Come to the column of north. Write down 6,000 units into 6 rupees. 6 rupees is same for every area, north, south, east, west. Only south will have 10% higher, but in this case, south is not there. For R, south is not there. So simply north में जाकर 6,000 into 6 and then your answer will be, value will be, yes, what is your value? 6,000 into 6.
36,000.
That's it. अब आप क्या करोगे? साउथ में nil 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 and east also nil nil nil. Now get me the total of Q and R. We have not done the total of Q column. So Q column total is, first quantity has to be added, 3,000. Look at Q. South में 3,000, east 5,000, west 8,000. So what is the total quantity?
12,000.
Very good. And what is the total amount? 16,500 in south, 25,000 in east, 20,000 in west. So get me the total of amount column of product Q.
61,500.
That's the last column, huh? Value 61,500. Okay. Now calculate the total of R. 6,000 plus 4,000. Only 2 units are there. So what will be the total unit? What will be the total quantity? Six thousand plus 4,000. Only 2 units are there.
10,000.
Very good. And what about amounts? 36,000 in the north and in the west it is 24,000.
$60,000.
60,000. Very good. Now what you have to do? PQR. You have to take a vertical total of that. Vertical total. Only values. Only values are okay. If you do quantity total and value total, that is also okay. Now do it. Write down under PQR group A. Now draw a line above that and draw a line below that. That means it should be in the block. I hope you know how to make a block. I hope you know how to make a block.
Yes,
See in the
ma'am.
question, see in the solution part. Group A is in the block. Block means जिसमें आपने amount और quantity लिखी है ना, उसके ऊपर एक line, उसके नीचे एक line. ठीक है? It should look like a box, a big large box. Okay. So come on, tell me. Look at the north. 3,000 plus 6,000. How much is the total quantity of group A?
48,000.
No. I'm asking you about quantity. First column of quantity is there, no? So 3 plus 6 is 9,000. Write down 9,000.
Yes.
Yeah, now tell me the value. What is total? 12,000 plus 36,000. The total is?
48,000.
Very good. You look at the screen, no? You will be able to understand. Now south. How many units are there? 2,000 plus 3,000. So the total will be 5,000. And what is the value? 8,800 plus 16,500. So what is the answer?
25,300.
Very good. Do it for east. Tell me the total quantity. Total quantity.
Total quantity 10,000.
And total amount?
Total amount 45,000.
Very good. Do it for west. Quantity?
West total quantity 8,000.
Very
And
good.
total
And
total
value
value?
is?
44,000.
Very good. And last column total? What is the total quantity of total column and total value of total column? 10 plus 12 plus 10, it becomes 32, right?
Yes,
No need
ma'am.
to do it on Calci, it is 32. And what about amount? 40,800, 61,500 and 60,000. So the total is?
1,62,300.
Very good. So now you have to start with X and Y. And now below that you need to write X and Y. X and then next line Y. Come to the next column, come to the next product X. Now X is sold 50% in north, 30% in west, and 20% in east. But kiska 50%, 30% and 20%? It is given, no? See, expected sales of X and Y are 10,000 and 15,000 units respectively. It is given already. So of X, it is 10,000 units. Total products of X are sold in the market are 10,000. Total products which are sold in the market are 10,000 units for X. So 10,000 may say out of this 10,000, 50% is sold in north. So tell me, 10,000 into 50% is how much?
5,000.
So come on, do it. For X, go to north and write down 5,000. Very simple. 10,000 into 50%, that is 5,000. And what is the price of X? A line above is in the line above it is given there. Product X and Y are priced at rupees 10 and rupees 12 respectively. Means X 10 rupees and product Y 12 rupees. So we are doing it for X first. So tell me 5,000 into 10 is how much?
50,000.
Very good. So north column is done. Now come to west column. Product X is sold in the west at the rate 30%. So 10,000 into 30% is how much? 10,000 into 30% is how much?
3,000.
Very good. So 3,000 has to be written in the west column of X. Quantity. What is rate? Same, 10 rupees. Rate will be same, no? 10 rupees. So 3,000 into 10 is how much?
30,000.
Very good. Now come to the last column, east, 20%. So 10,000 into 20% is how much?
2,000.
Very good. So come to the column of east of product X and write down in the quantity 2,000. And what will be the price? Rate. Price means rate. So what will be the price? Product X का price कितना है? What is the price of product X? Come on, tell me. Same होगा ना 10 rupees बच्चा. Product X and Y are priced at 10 rupees and 12 rupees respectively. Means X का 10 है, Y का 12 है. उन्होंने बोला है कि इधर बढ़ाने के लिए और कम करने के लिए?
No, ma'am.
So it will be same. 10 rupees will be same. Okay. 10 rupees will be same. So what you need to do? Okay. So here 10 rupees will be same. So we are at the column of east. So east is 2,000 into 10. So your amount will be 20,000.
20.
Yes. Now give me the total of product X. Give me the total of product X. Total quantity. First tell me the total quantity.
10,000.
Okay. So this is 5,000 in north, 2,000 in east, and 3,000 in west. So it becomes 10,000. Very good. And in the south column, you just show nil, nil, nil. Okay. And what is the value of product X? Total value?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. 50,000 here in north, 20,000 in east, and 30,000 in west. Very simple. So it is 1 lakh. Now product Y. Okay. So now come to the product Y. Now Y is sold 40%. Y is sold 40% in north, 30% in west, and 30% in east. So now what you need to do, Y के number of units. How many units are there for Y? Total units 15,000. For Y, total number of units are 15,000. What you need to do? 15,000 into 40% is sold in north. Come on, do it. 15,000 into 40 percentage. So what is the answer?
6,000.
Sorry,
6,000, ma'am.
6,000. So 6,000 will be in north. So come to the column of north for Y product and write down 6,000 into. What is the price of Y?
12.
12 rupees. Very good. And 12 rupees will be same everywhere. So 6,000 into 12. Answer is?
72,000.
This is for north. 72,000 is for north. Now come to west. So 15,000 into 30 percentage for Y in the area of west. So what is the quantity?
4,500.
Very good. But please remember you have to write it in the column of west. West, huh? Come to the column of west for Y product and write it in the column of quantity. 4,500 into 12. 4,500 into 12. So what is the answer?
54,000.
54,000. Very good. Next. And last 30 percentage in the east. So 15,000 into 30 percentage.
4,500.
But it should be in the column of east, huh? So 4,500 into 12, again same 54,000. Now get me the total of all. 6,000 for Y, huh? I'm asking you about Y. Quantity is 6,000 in north, 4,000 in 4,500 in east, 4,500 in west. So what is the total quantity?
15,000.
Very good. And what is the total amount? 72,000 plus 54,000 plus 54,000.
1,80,000.
Very good. And now give me the vertical total. Now group A and group X and Y belongs to group B, no? So below Y you need to write group B. Now group B should also be in the block. Make it a block. Just as group A was there, no? You need to make group B. Now tell me X and Y total of north. 5 plus 6,000. What is the total quantity? Total quantity.
11,000.
Very good. And value 50,000 plus 72,000.
1,22,000.
Very good. South is not there, so just put nil, nil, nil. Now come to east. 2,000 plus 4,500 is how much? 6,500, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now value is 20,000 plus 54, 74.
74.
Yes, west. 3,000 plus 4,500.
7,500.
7,500. Very good. And value is 30 plus 54, that is 84. And last total 10 plus 15 means 25,000, isn't it? 25,000 is correct. Last column total. So 10,000 plus 15,000, you have 2 units, no? So add them and you will get 25,000. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And what is the value? 1 lakh plus 1,80,000. What is the total value? Yes. What is the total value? Come on. 1 lakh plus 1,80,000. It is 2,80,000. Done this much? Guys, done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you need to do, that's enough. Total A and B is not to be found out. That's enough. Ho gaya. So done. We are done with the question. See how simple it was. You just need to cross multiply and get the value. Okay. So now we'll start with the next question. Look at the sixth question now. Prepare area-wise and product-wise sales budget. So product-wise and area-wise, January, February, and then area-wise, area B and A and B. So it has to be divided accordingly. Now see, products. How many products are there? 2, X and Y. In January and February, there are 2 months. The segregation is given according to 2 months, January and February. Product X is sold 400 units in the month of January and 600 units in the month of February. Product Y is sold 1200 units in the month of January and 1800 units in the month of February. Everything is given. The sales area A and B account for 60% and 40% of sales of product X and Y, X, and 30% and 70% sales of Y. Means what he's trying to tell you, there are 2 areas, suppose A and B, north and south. So product X, if you think about product X, say an example of January, 400 units. So 400 units of product X will be sold 60% in area A and 40% in area B. Again for X in February, 600 units are there, but out of this 600 units, 60% is sold in area A and 40% is sold in area B. Is the point clear? Is this point clear? Come on, you
Yes.
need to unmute and tell me, is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So similarly, you have to do it for Y. Y 30 and 70% is divided. A, area A 30%, area B 70%. Okay. The selling price per unit of product X was rupees 8. 8. Everywhere 8, 8, 8. If it is going to be product X, then the price will be 8 rupees. And selling price of product Y will be 10 rupees. So if it is going to be Y product, whether it is area A or area B, whether it is month January or February, if it is product Y, it is going to be rupees 10 everywhere. Is it clear this much? This much is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so what we will do, we will join the lecture again because it is showing me less than 1 minute. So we are going to join again and solve this question. Okay.